Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hacks by Swayam. Today we are going to set up our computer or laptop for Python. So for that we need to install Python, PyCharm, that is the best Python editor, and PyGame that will use to create games via Python. So let's begin. Let's first download Python 3.9. First open Google and then search Python. Click on welcome to python.org, that is the website of Python. Keep the cursor or the mouse on downloads, that is on the top, and then directly click on Python 3.9.0. After the download is ready, open the setup. After opening the setup, you will get two options of install now and customize installation. We'll click on customize installation to create a required path of the download. And also I will check the box that is add Python 3.9 to path. And then I'll click on customize installation. Here I will check all the boxes and then click on next. Here I will check install for all users and then choose the path where I want to install my Python, and then click on install. After a few seconds, the install will get ready and the setup will be completed successfully. Let us now check if the Python is installed successfully. So open command from start and then click on run as administrator and then type python --version and then press enter. So it's showing Python 3.9.0. This means that it is installed successfully. So this was all about the Python installation. Now let us install PyCharm. Open Google in your computer or laptop and then search PyCharm. Click on the link that is www.jetbrains.com PyCharm. Then click on the download button. After you do so, there will be two options provided: professional and community. Click on community. After successfully downloading the setup, open it. Wait till the verification takes place and then click on next. Here you can choose a path where you want to install the PyCharm. And then click on next. Select 64-bit launcher and also add launchers to the path. Click on next. Click on install and then wait for 2 to 5 minutes. After the setup is complete, click on finish and restart your computer now. Or you can also select the reboot now option to reboot your computer automatically. So this was all about the PyCharm installation. Let us now install PyGame for making games through Python. Open the command from start and type python-m space pip space install space pygame and then press enter. Command prompt will download multiple files for the installation and then there will be a message shown for successful installation. Now your laptop or computer is completely ready for Python coding. For more videos like these, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Also like, comment and share my videos.